Exercise 17B, question number 12. Construct a rhombus, the length of whose diagonals are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. ठीक है, so all of us know about rhombus, that all the sides of rhombus are equal as well as the diagonals bisect each other and the length of diagonals are not equal. ठीक है, so that's why here also you see that they have provided length of two different lengths of two diagonals, है ना. One is given 6 and another is given 8 centimeter. So we know that one diagonal is smaller than the other. So let us form a rhombus. Let us make first a rough sketch. So this is a rhombus that we will be making. We know that all four sides are equal. Now you can see that this is the smaller diagonal and we can write down it as 6 centimeter. This is A, B, C, D. Okay? And BD is little bit bigger, so it is 8 centimeter. And they haven't told anything about sides. So again, what we will do, we will take AC as base and we will draw perpendicular bisector, that is BD of AC. As we have done in number 10 question, the same will be the case here also, है ना. So what we will do, we will take base to be 6 centimeters. So let us draw base AC to be 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Now this is A and this is C, AC. So now base we have drawn. Now we want BD and BD is perpendicular bisector of AC. So for that what we will do? We will draw perpendicular bisector of AC. And how to draw perpendicular bisector? We take length of radius to be more than half of AC. If AC is 6, then its half will be 3. So take radius more than 3. So more than 3 you can take 4 centimeter radius, है ना. This is 4 centimeter radius. Now put your center over point C and draw an arc here, again down also, and put again with the same radius, don't disturb radius, put it over A and draw an arc above and down. So we got intersection of two arcs. Now you can join these two arcs. Make some bigger line so that it will give you perpendicular bisector of AC. So this we got perpendicular bisector of AC. Now you can name this intersection point to be point O. Okay. Now come to rough sketch again. Length of BD they have given 8 centimeter. So half of BD will be 4 centimeter, है ना. Half of BD will be 4 centimeter. So you see here that obviously we will get point B to be here and point D to be here. So BD will be combination of, BD is combination of OB plus OD, है ना. BD is combination of OD plus OB. So half of BD just now we found. So OB will also be 4 and OD will also be 4 centimeter. That's why it will give you 8 centimeter. ठीक है, 8 equal to 4 plus 4. So now you take radius to be 4 centimeter in your compass. This is 4 centimeter. Now put your center over point O. Put your center over point O and draw an arc over this perpendicular bisector above also and down also. Now this will give you point B and D. This will give you point B and D. Now you can measure. We have taken 4 centimeter OB and 4 centimeter OD. So this will total give you 8 centimeter. So BD is 8 centimeter. You can see it is coming correct 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter BD. Okay. So we got point B and D also. Now we can join AD. We can join AB. And join BC as well as CD. So now we got a rhombus and you can see that the lengths of two diagonals, that is AC and BD, are different. BD is bigger but AC is smaller, and you can measure the length of side also. and you will find that all the sides are again of equal length. So it is coming 5 centimeter. Here also 5 centimeter. Here also 5 centimeter. Here 5. Yes. So we found all the sides, all the 4 sides of rhombus to be of equal measurement or equal length, that is 5 centimeter. So this completes our construction of rhombus ABCD.